a big bear, but we stopped at Bass Pro. Let's go in, let's go. Hey Dad, look at rainbow trout. What a long trip. Look at all this ice. We made it at the cabin. Let's go inside. This is the living room. What's also is there's a TV. We're gonna make s'mores later. But come on, let's go. This is the kitchen. Here's the fridge full of
nothing.
Yeah. You wanna check out the backyard? It's not really a backyard. I call it a backyard. Oh yeah, there's some broken ice over here. Yeah, broken ice. Yay!
What's going on here? It looks a bit creepy.
Yeah, I don't really know. I saw a raccoon in there. Here's my dog. Wanna check the bathroom? Here's a shower. This is a very nice shower. Let's go check the upstairs. Here's another bathroom that's pretty small. I just got shocked here earlier, which I'm not gonna touch, which is the closet. Here's the beds. These are cool rooms. Ace always barks at this mirror. And this is always my secret. I got shocked again. This is gonna be my secret hiding spot. So don't tell anyone.
2 hours later.
Here's the outside. And there's a lake over there.
What lake is over there, buddy?
Big Bear Lake. Comment down below if you've been there. Oh, look, there's a squirrel. Hey guys, I'm making s'mores. Do you want to see my mom and me to make the s'mores? S'mores? Let's do it. I don't like them burnt or crispy. Do you know the blue part is the hottest part of a fire? Hey everyone, Milan here. It's part 2 today and we're at the Sky Park. Let's go. Found a secret lake. What?
What was that? Was that a monster?
Ready? Go.
Hey everyone, it's Creative Fundad here. And this is how we're going to reset 2020. Right here at 8,000 feet above sea level. Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Let's go. Yeah! What are we about to do?
I gotta go tubing.
Yes! It's part 3. Reset button 2020. Time to go tubing. Let's go! Yeah!
It's day 3 and I got this new glider. Watch. Where's it going?
Whoa, dude!